We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being are arranged to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as neon. This is the substance we are ordering. The 10th particle of the stone presents itself as noble light, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of 12. Today we share the point of view of dissolution. The Throne of Pisces opens the 12th position and directs the gaze toward neon returning to the atmospheric whole. From this seat, neon reveals itself as an element that constantly returns to the air, as the atom that, after shining in discharge tubes, after being liquefied and separated, after being studied and used, always returns to the atmosphere in its original form. What was revealed, condensed, emitted, preserved, shown, refined, balanced, remained inert, expanded to the cosmos, was industrially edified, and innovated aesthetically now finds integration with the planetary whole. Neon released from broken tubes reintegrates into the air. Each atom dissolved completes the atmospheric cycle. Each molecule surrenders to the eternal cycle of planetary noble gas. Neon inhabits the continuous flow between extraction and return, the cycle of exchange between industry and nature, the unity with the atmospheric ocean from which it never truly separates. When observed from the Throne of Pisces, nobility finds compassion for the complete cycle, mysticism of dissolution into the whole, and the capacity to surrender to universal air. Inertia becomes an atmospheric offering. The noble gas organizes itself as a return to its gaseous origin. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of atmospheric unity. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the completion of dissolution and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, the 12th face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Neon is integrated. The wheel closes its conscious cycle. Today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am dissolving noble light into the universal air. Allow the mind to remain receptive and surrendered at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 complete breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with separation from the cycle, atmospheric isolation, rupture of the return, denial of dissolution. Emotion is brought into order through compassion. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am unified neon. Repeat it 3 times, consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating planetary air into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.